Well, I'm upstate. Yeah, start the tractor so I can move it forward so I can unload the truck. It's always been a week and I used it. Put the key in right there. Turn it. Get rid of the snow a little bit. Okay. Pull the truck out. Give it a little gas. Make sure it's always in neutral. Always in neutral. Okay, start. Oop, almost. Start again. Oop, pull the truck out a little bit more. That's it. All it takes. Snow. Oil pressure is good. Amp meter is good. Lift up the dash. Turn balance. Slow. There we go. Put the seat down. Ooh. It's got to be moved so I get the truck in here. Woo! Oh. Snow. Ha! Can't put the clutch in. Too much snow here. That works better. Those baby work, huh? It's all good. I'm gonna get her, let her run for a while. Then move the truck up here so that I can empty it. So that I can, it's got a bunch of stuff in the back of it. Then I gotta put the chains on. So that's, everything's a new experience for me. Never done a change before, but she runs good. That baby's good. Look at that. Helps her to clean up all the snow though. Underneath the clutch pedal. Well, if you like my video, subscribe. Follow me on Reels. All right. Everybody have a nice day. You take care now. Bye.